Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in M1 Finance. First step is to open a browser. After opening your browser, you can see search bar on the top. Click on it and type in M1 Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now it will lead you to login page. Here you need your email and your password to log in. So type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on the browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logged in the public computer. If you forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset it. Now if you don't have an account, you can click on register and create a new account. Now click on login, and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in M1 Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.